Good day mga ka-all pet matters. Today ay mag-update tayo ng ating Bichon puppies. Itong isang to ay open na yung isang eyes. Itong mga Bichon na to ay 12-day old. Ayan, female ang gender niya. Okay. Dito ka. Ayan, ito namang isa. Halika dito. Hey baby. Wow, you're so cute. Hindi pa nagbubukas ng eyes. Itong isang to. Ito naman isa. Ano bang gender noon? Tingnan natin gender. Gender nito ay lalaki, male. And this one is hello, smile. Yes. Kakawag-kawag ka pa ha. Ang gender niya ay female. Okay, very cute. Very healthy. Mas meron dito here. Saan pa? Hello baby. Gender niya female. Hello baby. Hello. Wow, so cute. Ito naman, ano bang gender ng isang yun? Tingnan. Yan ay female. Okay. Another one. Yeah. Wow, open na yung both eyes niya, pero hindi pa siya nakakakita. Hello baby. You're so cute. Female. Yan, 12 days old. Yan, malilikot sila oh. Yan, maglalakad-lakad na oh. Please watch more updates by subscribing to my YouTube channel at All Pet Matters. Thank you very much for your support and see you next time on my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.